Hi, I'm Leslie Swan with the Swan Team Real Estate here with the December 2021 market update. I hope you all are doing well and enjoying this holiday season. And I wanted to just kind of give you some quick facts about how the market is doing and what you can expect for some of 2022. As you probably are very aware, 2021 moved along like gangbusters, and homes sold faster than ever. Homes appreciated very quickly, and I'm sure you heard from neighbors about prices selling for 50, 100, 150, $200,000 over the asking price. And the big question that I get is, when is that going to end? And I like to base my answer on that on the numbers. And here's what the numbers tell me. In 2020, we started the year off in January with just over 21,000 homes on the market. And then in 2021, there were 14,500 homes on the market. And we are looking to start 2022 with just over 12,000 homes on the market. So our supply is incredibly low and continues to get lower, and is going to start the new year very low. So homes are still going to appreciate, which if you're a homeowner, that is fantastic news. If you're a buyer, it's, not the greatest news. It's not what you want to hear. Obviously, you want to hear that inventory is increasing and that sellers are wanting to move. But the big problem and challenge for most of 2021, as opposed to 2020, when everyone, the panic kind of COVID, people didn't know what to do, didn't want to have people in their homes. 2021, the real story of why a lot of inventory didn't come on the market was simply because people don't know where to go to. If, I'm going to sell my house, but where am I going to move to? Am I going to stay in California? Am I going to move out of state? All those types of things. And people would rather just stay put than have to figure it out. And I will say that 2022 is looking like there's going to be a lot more of the same, in the sense of sellers not necessarily knowing where to go, but having to take that plunge and that risk to put their home on the market so that they can capitalize on all the return and all the appreciation they have on their investment, and utilize some strategies like rent backs, or staying in possession for 2 months, 3 months until they find a replacement property, because that is the only way these days in the market that you can get a property. You cannot be contingent upon the sale of your current home. You have to have it sold. So moving forward into 2022, again, it is a great seller's market. Right now, we're hovering under 30 days on market, which is an extreme seller's market. It would take us to get to 90 days on market just to be a balanced market, and for prices to level off. For prices to come down, we're going to have to see the time on market go to 120 days, which we just don't see happening anytime soon. So if you or anyone you know is thinking of selling, definitely give us a call, because we'd love to put together a strategy for obviously helping you find where you're going to move to, or what your plan is for that, as well as then the strategy for optimizing the return on your investment and quickly selling it on the sales side. Now, if you're a buyer, we have had a lot of success for our buyer clients this year as well too. Again, you have to know what you're getting and set the right expectations. But we have had several buyers who have gotten in, and more importantly, they've already seen appreciation on their properties. So it's not a time to wait, because in 2022, prices just aren't going to come down. So now is the time to get in and enjoy your fixed monthly output for housing, because if there is one thing that we are seeing is that rents are going to continue going up. And once you lock in with a mortgage and you lock in at your 30-year fixed rate or your 15-year fixed rate, your housing costs are going to be fixed and no one can change that on you. Unlike when you're renting and you have a landlord or a leasing company. So again, it's still a great time to buy because interest rates are so low. So there are lots of options and opportunities, and we at the Swan Team would love to help you. We hope that you all have a wonderful holiday season, and you can feel free to contact us anytime with any questions, any suggestions, anything. We'd love to hear from you. Our number is 949-444-1601. And of course, you can always email us at info@theswanteamoc.com. We hope you all, if you celebrated Hanukkah, we hope you had a wonderful Hanukkah. And if you celebrate Christmas, we hope you have a wonderful and Merry Christmas. And of course, Happy New Year, and we will see you in 2022. The elf over there says, Happy Holidays too.